Hi folks, welcome to MarineMax Miami. My name's Raheem Nahim, and we're here to do a quick tour on the Scout 275 LXF. This particular boat, we're powering it with 2200s, 4 cylinders. This boat will plane with one motor. Impressive. And impressive, it'll reach speeds up to 656 miles an hour. Please follow us. Let's do a tour inside. This 275 was ordered with a deluxe leaning post. Full fresh water here, nice insulated cooler here. Great grab rails, rocket launchers, nice dual storage here. Great handling here when you're running hard. Another neat design is this right here. You have a full floodgate right here. When you're anchored, when you're swimming in and out, then come on board. Then we can convert this into a full for fishing mode with a bolster or full seating. Electric compartment for your electronics. Let's go towards the bow. Great seating, great backrest. Nice storage here, pretty much kind of for your phones. Great cooler, insulated. LED lighting, JL audio. Here's your windlass. And it's nice and just flush. You can control it from up here as well. Well, folks, thank you for joining us. Please look for us on YouTube and stay tuned for our next Scout Boats video out of MarineMax Miami. Thank you.